Alright everyone, welcome back into Halo 21, and we're going to be playing some Halo 4. We're going to find a game. Big team battle. Let's go. Woo! Transition noise! Alright, so we got Antisocial, we got Forever Flying, we got For Me to Poop On, got Con Operator, Cool Tick, Motox, Origin Gamester, Papa Dix, Ruined Musician, 10th Obi-Wan, and we got a bunch of other people in this server. Trying to go for a quick one. Probably. Who knows? It's kind of late at night. I was playing games with my friends, and then I was like, yeah, I gotta go film a video. So, film the video. Because I gotta do this every day. You know? Alright, so we are winning. I do believe. By a little bit. Alright, let's go get him. Run. Okay, they're somewhere. They're over there. Here's the list, by the way. Just pause to go see that. You're behind me. I don't... Let's change loadout to something better. Yeah, it's the fun loadout. Have to protect him, get the bounty. Run. It's like VIP. Oh, it's Team Regicide. Okay, never mind. I was like, what's going on? Why is there a specific target? I am so dumb. Okay, cool. We killed him. Yeah. Where are they? Okay, there's another one over here. Come here, nerd. Come here, nerd. Can you not see me? No. Energy, pistol. Thought he was over there. Run! Nice. Oh, it's in this person's line of fire. Okay. Respawn. Oh, there he is. Yeet. Okay, so I killed him, but I didn't kill the bounty. I thought he was gonna move forward. That sucks. I really wish. Too bad. Oh, I took that too. I should have ran away. My bad. How? Is that like a fuel rod cannon? Oh, it's a light rifle, probably. There's a light rifle on the floor. No, it's not there anymore. Dang. Dude. Changing my loadout to something else. Covenant Carbine, because I can shoot really fast. Hopefully. I just want to be good at video games. Dude, really? Fine, come pry it from my cold dead hands. If you can find my cold dead hands. Oh, dude, I was gonna melee him, but I kept pressing B. Yo, that sucks. Oh, I can't switch my loadout now. Boo! Boo! What shame. Can I get you? No, I cannot. I need to run to cover. Nah, I'm good. Where? Oh, you're over there. Oh my god. Okay. Now change loadout. It's you? No, I want a regular assault rifle. Because the DMR is just bad. It's like a shotgun. Oh my gosh. Change loadout. Give me the shield. Thank you. What fun. I get a shield too. Are they in the building? Probably. Where are they? Okay, whatever. We won anyway. Let's go! 6 minutes. Almost 7. Dang. Alright, so, guess I'll see y'all later, and goodbye.